What's up, guys? Nicole, where are we going?
FD, Orlando.
So Formula Drift Orlando is at Orlando Speed World. They come here one time a year. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that 95% of you guys know what Formula Drift is. For the 5% that may not know or may not care, it is essentially the X Games of drifting. So faster cars, like 1,000 horsepower cars, more grip, insane tandem. Like, it's really fun to watch, especially knowing a lot of the drivers and kind of getting more into it than I was last year. But I was supposed to be in Japan. I don't think I told you guys in the videos yet. I don't remember if I announced it on Twitter, but I did end up canceling my Japan trip. Just coming back from that road trip and then having like 2 days at home and going straight to Japan for like 3 weeks to drive more. Sounds awesome, but it was just a bit overwhelming, and there's just kind of stuff that I needed to do and just kind of be able to chill at home and just kind of, I don't know. I feel like it probably makes sense. It's a bummer, but I'll go back later this year. Timing wasn't right. I don't know. So now we get to go to FD Orlando, because originally I wasn't gonna be able to go. There's a lot of rubber at the event, so me and Nicole thought we would wear our Japanese masks and our hats. Twinning. Here comes the traffic, woo! I wish it was like a drift event where we could just fly past them all and go in on the left. Our freshly paved skid pad, sad. Pretty much the whole entire halftime, we just like hung out and took photos and talked to you guys. So I haven't filmed anything yet. I'm probably just gonna get a couple clips of the drifting and maybe some clips from the pits, but I don't know, I'm just trying to enjoy it. Right, Nicole?
Yeah, I really like my hat.
Yeah, no, the disguises are working very well.
Oh no! The vlog camera, give it away! Oh no!
I can't film here. Traffic is so insane leaving here, so we're watching the finals in the 240 so we can get the jump on traffic. Definitely got a huge congrats to Forsberg. Not gonna lie though, we were rooting for Dean. Unfortunately, where we were watching from, I couldn't get the best camera angles because of the fence. It just wouldn't focus right, but I'm sure you guys could just watch their actual legitimate video anyway instead of mine. Kind of got some cool news for you guys. I've actually partnered with an app called Vigo for something called the Tag Your It Challenge. There's a few different influencers involved, including myself, and what we're trying to do is create like the longest video chain possible. So what we did the very first burnout ever in my Black 350Z the other day, and we want to see you guys like respond to that video with a burnout of your own. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you guys can download Vigo and you can join us in the Tag Your It Challenge. All you have to do is watch my video and then keep the streak going with your own video, tag me in it, and share it with your friends on social media, but make sure you use the hashtag TagYourIt right on the screen right now. My username is just Adam_LZ. Easy to remember. Another cool little thing is that the top 100 video participants are going to receive 1 million flame.
What?
That's a lot of flame.
Yeah, but what's flame? Is it like likes?
Flame is like their in-app currency that can actually be redeemed for real money, so it's legit.
So it's not just like, oh, I got
no,
more likes.
It's not just like likes. I'm excited to see you guys burnout clips. I'm pretty stoked on the little clip that me and Nicole got on the 350Z. Massive thank you to Vigo for sponsoring this video and letting me be a part of this. And just make sure when you make your video, use the hashtag TagYourIt. Unfortunately, that hyper gold wheel on the 350Z, the Cosmos one, those are like super sold out, and I don't have any drift spares for the car. So for the time being, I got some OG white. But if I'm loading some tires up in the truck and also some tires for Taylor, that sounds like we're about to go drift some Z's. All right, leave it to stupid Adam to somehow lock the keys in the 350Z again. This time before I called AAA, I remembered how the locksmith dude like got the keys out last time. He had like a little airbag that he inflated in here. So what I did, I put a screwdriver in a rag, wedged it a little bit, Then I had a punch that's kind of like a little wedge that in a little bit so I could get a welding rod in that I bent to have a little hook, and I was able to hook it around the keys and fish them out. So, take that AAA, won't be needing you. Took me like 2 minutes. I'm super proud of it. Probably my biggest accomplishment since learning how to do my first donut. So thanks guys. The video's not over, but I'm just stoked, thanks. Now that I've gained access to the car, I can deal with the real task at hand, which is adjusting ride height. Because although I like how it stands right now, the rear is pretty low. I looked underneath the car and the exhaust is maybe, I'd say, maybe like 2 fingers off the ground, which is just too low because if the car squats, it's just gonna get destroyed. So I'm probably gonna raise the car about 1 inch, which will also help with some rubbing issues that I'm having right now. Obviously, I can roll the fenders, but the ride height I just think is smart. If this is gonna be a missile car and gonna get the crap beat out of it, it should not be this low. Only annoying thing is if I want to raise the ride height, I gotta realign it. So it's not just an easy thing like that. When you're raising lower cars, it kind of messes with the toe and stuff. So gonna make sure we have good toe so we promote nice, even tire wear. Totally forgot I ordered this, but I did get a little bit of a spoiler for the Z. I hate how the stock body looks in the rear. Kind of cool, it's got like a little bit of a carbon fiber underneath. Reminds me a lot of my CSL type spoiler that I have on my E92 M Performance, whatever you want to call it. Kind of cool. It came painted black, I wasn't expecting that. It's more like almost like a gel coat, like just plain black. It doesn't match the color of the car, so I might have it painted. I don't know. But anyway, if you guys want to see what it looks like before and after. It's just something little, just enough to kind of break up the smooth looking booty lines that I'm not too crazy about. But I'm pretty stoked on it. Just simple, nothing too crazy. I do want to do some louvers too. All right, guys, you know what? I'm sick of seeing the comments like, missile car this, missile car that. Tomorrow, I'm gonna take this car and I'm gonna drive the absolute crap out of it. So what if I want to make it look nice in the beginning, all right? Like, things look nice before they're missile carred. My JZX 100 was nice and now it's almost missile car status. Like, I take pride in things. So if I'm gonna do something, I might as well do it right. Like, I don't know. It's pretty cool though. But you guys probably can't tell the difference with the black. It looks pretty spot on camera. But if you like shine a light up to it, you can see that like the factory paint has all the sparkles and then this doesn't have any. Sparkle, no sparkle. Well, about to go put the Z in the trailer and this is, it's a little bit more complicated than my 240. You're about to see why. The reason it's so hard, because on top of this clutch grabbing like very, very sudden, look at how wide this car is. I only knew this because of loading Matt's car in the trailer one time. Do you see how close that wheel is on this side? Look how close this wheel is on this side. Shout out to WiseFab for making the front end of this car a whole 100 millimeters wider. Oh my God. I'm just so happy that I didn't duff up those wheels because I thought I was definitely going to. So congratulations. Got another cool little surprise for the Z right here. Any guesses? Any guesses? And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Tomorrow is a very exciting day because all that hard work that we've been putting in on that Z hopefully will pay off. I hope that it goes smoothly. I hope I'm not jinxing myself by saying this, but I'm really excited to put it to some good use and get the ball rolling with that thing because I don't know, it's gonna be fun. I'll probably never drive my cream car again. Will I? I don't know. Comment below. But anyway, thanks guys, and I will most likely see you tomorrow with a cool driving video.